welcome or welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to prepare some sweet potato pudding, and these are my ingredients. So I have my peeled and washed sweet potato, I have my cornmeal there, and it's the refined one. I have some flour, some sugar, and raisin soaked in red label wine and rum, and I have some vanilla, some rose and almond flavor, and I have some allspice here, mixed spice, rose water, and this is some mixed spice also, and my baking powder, and some grated nutmeg, and I'm going to blend my coconut. So I'm going to pour it out. And make sure your hands are clean at all time when you're preparing anything in your kitchen. So I'm just going to squeeze out the excess of juice from the coconut trash or from the blended coconut. I'm going to use the trash anyway, so doesn't matter if you drop in the coconut water. So at this time I'm going to blend my sweet potato. I'm going to blend it with the yam. And you don't have to wash out back your blender. It's one meal. So I'm going to use the coconut juice for the liquid. So at this time I'm going to blend my sweet potato and my yam. So at this time my tins are already greased, so I'm just going to pour the butter into the cake pan. So I'm going to put in some cherries. Color is so pretty. And this is my version of sweet potato pudding. Looking lovely. So I'm just going to put these in the oven now. Look at that red cherry color. Perfect. So guys, I'm going to check. Wow, they're looking lovely.